Hey everybody, y'all, welcome back to the Roadhouse. Happy Saturday to y'all. Today we'll be firing up the Weber grill, and I've got a couple of little small pork loins. I'm gonna do a little test here today. Y'all like my shirt? Uncle Steve Shakes. Y'all go get you some. I'm gonna be using some of Uncle Steve's sweet and SpicyR rub. Now I got the big one this time because the other ones, man, they went fast, y'all. This stuff is good. But I'll be using this on one of them, on the larger one, and I have one that's a little smaller, and I'm going to hit that with some the Kosmos Q, the Honey Chipotle Killer Bee rub. Very similar in taste, so we're going to see how that works out. But we'll get these seasoned up right quick. Y'all come over here and let's see. There's our loins right there. So I'm gonna hit the big one here with some Uncle Steve's. This stuff is so good, y'all. Love this stuff, man. Let's get this one pulled out of the way. And just I don't know, probably about 1.5 pounds, something like that. They're not big at all. We're gonna hit these with this sweet and SpicyR. Yeah, buddy. Just give it a good dose, man. Doesn't need any kind of binder or anything like that. The sweet and SpicyR or any of Steve's rubs, I mean, it really doesn't need any help from any other rubs, y'all. I'll be honest with you. You can if you want to, but shoot, man, this stuff's so good. Yeah. You should get on there and get happy at that, bro. Alright, now. The smaller one, we are going to do with Kosmos Q, the Honey Chipotle Killer Bee. Yeah. Look at that stuff, boy. We're just gonna do that like that, y'all. Alright, let me go get the Weber fired up a bit more, and I'll let these marinate, and we'll be back in just a couple minutes. Alright, we got our tumbleweed lit, indirect today. We're gonna cook. We're gonna set our chimney on there, about 3/4 full, and we'll let these coals get lit, and we'll check back in a little bit. Alright, waiting on the charcoal to get lit. And this is going to be, we're just going to do some roasted potatoes. Find these little steakhouse roasters. They're bitty dudes, man. So I'm just going to cut them probably in half, and we'll season them up with a little oil and a little salt and pepper or something. Throw them in the oven, let them bake off on the baking sheet. So we'll get that done in a little while. Alright, gang, the grill's hot. Got our indirect going. And we're going to take our loins, and we're going to put them dudes just like that. Get them over a little bit there. Come on now, don't be scared. Alright. Get them stretched out a little bit there. And we're going to put a little bit of apple wood on here today for a little bit of apple smoke. A little bit there, a little bit there. We're going to let this roll. We'll probably come check it, probably in about 20 minutes, so we'll be back. Alright, gang, we got the pork loins put on the Weber. Let's set as a timer. Siri.
Yes?
Set me a 20-minute timer.
Okay, 20 minutes and counting.
Siri, what does a fox say?
Fracka-cacka-cacka-cacka-cow.
Siri, what's my name?
Your moonshine, but you asked me to call you moonshine.
That's right. Alright, gang. We'll be back in about 20 minutes. Alright, y'all. We got our taters cut in half and drizzle a little olive oil, some garlic and herb, a little salt and pepper on there. We're going to throw this junk in the oven. We're going to put them on 425 for about 20 minutes. That'll give the pork loin enough time to finish cooking and rest for a minute. So we'll do that and we'll be back. Alright, y'all, we're about 300 degrees. About 20-25 minutes. Let's see what we got here. Oh, that's looking nice, y'all. Yeah, buddy. That's looking, ooh, look at that. Nice and juicy. Alright, this should be done just about in time for the potatoes to come out the oven. So, I got some garlic bread I need to throw on here too. Alright, cool deal, man. We'll be back in just a few. Alright, gang, we back. This thing's looking nice. Let's go ahead and pull these loins off of here. And we're going to get the garlic bread put on. Let's do that right quick. Get this big dude off of here. Oh, look at that. Nice and juicy, man. Oh, that's alright, y'all. About an hour cooked. Not bad. Not bad at all. Alright. Let's get a little one off of there. Alright. Let's get our, I'm kind of out of my element here. I'm underneath the canopy here. It's supposed to rain today, so that's okay though. Alright. Bread going on the Weber, about 350, y'all. About 10 minutes. Crisp up pretty nice. We're gonna let the loins, we're gonna bring them in and we're gonna let the loins rest till this bread and taters are done, and we'll be back. Alright, gang, everything's done. The pork loin is rested. Let's cut into this. Y'all come down here and let's get us a little taste test here. Let's see what's what. Alright. Now this big loin I did with Uncle Steve's. Let's cut this dude in the middle here. And a little more we use Kosmos Q. And I pulled like 140, 145, y'all, on the temp. Alright. Boy, that smells good, I tell you that. Nice. Got a light smoke ring on there. That's the bigger loin, Uncle Steve's. And that's the smaller one. Got a little baby smoke ring on there. Little Kosmos. Alright, so let's get us a little bite of this. We're going to cut a little piece right here. Oh man, look at that. Oh, the puppies want some. Alright, and a little piece of the small one here. And I say these two rubs were very close in flavor. Very close. Alright, y'all come up here and let's get a little taste of this goodness. I'm thinking. So, alright. Ooh, lanyard. Crust, still smoking, man. Little smoke ring on top. Alright. Cheers, y'all. Uncle Steve, bro, you got it, man, with that sweet SpicyR. That stuff is so good. Oh, I love it, man. Love it, love it, love it. Alright. Let's do this, and we gotta cleanse the palate right quick. Know what I mean? Alright, now Killer Bee Honey Chipotle Kosmos Q. Nice Nice color also. Nice little crust on it. Yeah, baby smoke ring. Well, that's good, y'all. That's pretty darn good. Not bad. I like both of them. I'll be honest with you. I like Kosmos Q. But me personally, I like Uncle Steve's flavor better. That's just me. I mean, you know. But, well, that's good stuff, y'all. Uncle Steve's. No, that's good. Alright, we're going to plate up. And I'll get y'all some plate pics. But hey, thank y'all for stopping by the Roadhouse, man. I appreciate each and every one of y'all. We're going to get our grub on. We'll see y'all next weekend. Bye-bye.